Welcome back to my channel where creativity has no limits. I am Anil Ferron aka Mr. Ferron and you are watching Artisty City. So today I'm gonna review One by Wacom. Wacom is a company which makes graphics tablets, also called pen tablets, which are generally used in graphic design industry or by digital artists, which allows them to draw by hand or graphics in digital form on the PC. So today we are going to review one specific product of Wacom, that is One by Wacom. No, this video is not sponsored by Wacom. Now let me tell you guys, this is not even my Wacom tablet. Instead, this is my friend Adi's Wacom tablet. So shout out to Adi De Souza, who is my subscriber, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. So from today I have decided that I will be making random shoutouts of my subscribers in my videos to show the love you have given me by subscribing to my channel. So now let's review this pen tablet. So this is One by Wacom CTL 672 by Wacom company, medium, 8.5 inch by 5.3 inches, graphic tablet, red and black. The size of this tablet is approximately 11 inches by 7.5 inches. Only the middle 8.5 inches by 5.3 inches is the working pen pressure surface. This tablet costs around 6,000 in India currently. If you buy it, you get a tablet, a pen which has no batteries or non-rechargeable, and a regular USB connector. Wait, this is mine because Adi lost his connector. If you guys want to buy this, then there is a link in the description. So you need to plug it in your PC, download and install its drivers from the Wacom drivers website, restart your PC, and then shakalaka boom boom. Note, if you don't download its drivers, then this tablet will work as a normal mouse. So whatever pen tablets you have, install its drivers. And it has a 2048 pen pressure levels. Wow, let's try it. So now we are in Photoshop. As you guys know from the thumbnail, we are going to paint a mermaid, and as you guys can see to the left of the screen is a painting of a mermaid which I had done in 2015, and yes, had done that with a Wacom tablet as well. That time I had used a Wacom Intheos tablet which was approximately the size of an A3 printing paper. And taking that mermaid as reference, I'm gonna repaint the mermaid today with this One by Wacom tablet. If you are a complete beginner, then you will have to get used to it, because when you normally draw on paper, you look at the paper and draw it, but here you will have to look at the screen of your PC and draw on the tablet, which is probably on your lap or on the table in front of your PC. This will take little time to adjust to it. And if you guys want to download the digital print of this digital painting, then you can download it from my Patreon. Link to my Patreon will be in the description. And now let's enjoy the painting.
Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. All of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought my side. Ashes to ashes, falling alone, leaving to its own demise. Ashes to ashes, where do we go? Yeah, where do we go? And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side.
Honestly, painting with this Wacom tablet feels great. The pen pressure sensitivity is amazing, meaning when you press the pen harder, you get darker, bolder lines, and if you press it lighter, then you get lighter, thinner lines, which in my case is amazing. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. Also check out the description area for any interesting links. If you guys want to download the digital print of this painting, then you can download it from my Patreon. Link to my Patreon is in the description. That is all for today. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay creative.